Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I've not really been posting a lot. I've been very busy. I'm back, so let's continue from where we stopped. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on Vegas Pro 17. I'll be teaching you guys how to animate your text. For those who have not watched my last video, I would recommend for you guys to go and watch it. It's very important. Let's start. So first of all, we want to open up our Vegas Pro 17. Click on File, New, Templates already there. In case it's not already there, choose HD10 8050i. Sorry, 60i. Then others, just leave it. Then this one, make sure you change it to best. The sample mode must always be on disable, and this. Okay, so first of all, you want to click on right click, insert video track, right click again, insert text media. Then you want to put in your text. I'm going to put welcome, and I'm going to highlight it, Vegas known right here. Okay, make it bold, change the color a little bit. That's perfect, and that's pretty much it. So for the first animation, I'm gonna make this small, drag it to the middle. So the first animation is gonna be coming at you. Let's see how that is. This is pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna use another animation. And for those wondering why I didn't come here, in case you guys don't know what these things are, in my last video I explained everything, so you should go and watch it. And before we move on, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more videos. So next one is dropping words. I like using this one. Well, this is not an animation for actually one text, it's like for many. So let me put welcome to the club. Yeah, put the iPhone, make the text in the middle. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Yeah, so looks better like this. Then for the last one, we're gonna be using drop split, also like this. So yeah, and it disappears. So those are the main three animations I use. If you guys don't really like any animation you see, I would advise you guys to go to the net, check online for free animations for Vegas Pro 17, download them, then use it. And that's pretty much for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, stay safe and productive. No matter what is happening in the world, you can make it look good, you can be productive. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share and comment on what video you would like me to post next. I read all comments, so that's all.